Youth Edutainment welcomes everyone. Subscribe our channel for latest video and click on bell icon for latest notification. So kindly subscribe our channel for latest video of learning IT. So let's come to know about how to make bubble animation. Like that, you have to design firstly. This is not moving. If you will apply animation, then it will move properly. Then you have to click in the end, and like that, this is the animation option. You have to click on select all things like that. This you have selected successfully. Then go in animation option. After that, you have to go in exit option and click on exit option. Now this is not emphasis effect. Okay, you have to go in more exit option. You have to go in fly out. Okay, after that you have to click with previous. You have to click effect option and timing until next click. Okay, and you choose the direction of one. Select effect option, or effect option you may choose from bottom, then you choose from this side, then this will go to this side, and this will go to this side, and you have to click on this. This will go to left side, this will go to upper side, this will go to upper side, and this will go to downward. You have to click on this. This will go to this side, this will go to this side, this will go to this side, and this will go to in that direction, and this will go in that direction. Okay, now check it, then it will move like that. And when you will make more effect, click on end of the list and you select press shift. Okay,